Today we learn sizes. Today we learn sizes. Big is very large. Big is very large. Small is not big. Small is not big. This box is huge. This box is huge. That cup is tiny. That cup is tiny. Long hair is pretty. Long hair is pretty. Short hair is easy. Short hair is easy. High mountains are tall. High mountains are tall. Low walls are short. Low walls are short. Wide streets are busy. Wide streets are busy. Narrow doors are small. Narrow doors are small. Thick books are heavy. Thick books are heavy. Thin paper is light. Thin paper is light. Deep water is dangerous. Deep water is dangerous. Shallow water is safe. Shallow water is safe. Heavy bags are hard. Heavy bags are hard. Light bags are easy. Light bags are easy. Measure the long table. Measure the long table. It is 2 meters. It is 2 meters. Measure the short chair. Measure the short chair. It is 1 meter. It is 1 meter. Big shoes for feet. Big shoes for feet. Small shoes for kids. Small shoes for kids. Wide clothes are nice. Wide clothes are nice. Tight clothes are bad. Tight clothes are bad. Great job learning sizes. Great job learning sizes.